George, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be experiencing something new together. In this box right here, I have a pair of Gucci sneakers. Out of all my years on YouTube, I have never unboxed anything Gucci related, and I'm so excited because this pair of sneakers, they're kind of OG. They remind me of like Gucci circa 2016, 17 era, which is why I'm kind of wearing this Gucci top right here, because I got this back in that time, but I've always had up a pair of shoes just like this. So I'm actually partnering again with BEkicks. If you're not familiar with them, I'll link all their information down below. But this is my second partnership with them. First time, a charm. This time I'm hoping even better. They have such a variety of sneakers, guys. It is insane. Literally almost any type of sneaker you could think of is on their site. So I'm gonna be unboxing these today, trying them on, giving the full-on BEkicks Gucci experience. If you're interested, grab yourself a snack, perhaps a drink, and keep on watching. I thought some light fire crackling in the background would be soothing and like a good ambiance, but this candle, I don't know what it is. It's like, it's kind of louder than usual today. So if you hear a weird noise in the background, that's it. I enjoyed those, kind of like comic for me, so we're gonna deal. Now I'm gonna start this video off with the OOTD, of course, because that's what I always do. Like I said, this is a Gucci top from back in like 2016-ish, I believe, 16, 17. We got the back, and I like this back then simply because it has a cat, okay? I have 5 cats. I'm a cat dad. Me and my husband, we just, can't get enough of them, okay? We want more. Yes, this is like the look, very casual. The shoes are gonna go perfect because this doesn't have like a lot of Gucci branding like most of their stuff does. I mean, it does say Gucci on the back, but you know, it could be more obnoxious, dare I say. So, BEkicks, guys, I'm so excited because again, my first experience with them was such a pleasure, and these shoes are a pair that I've wanted for quite some time. So, obviously, shoes arrived in FedEx box. Then we have this right here, which I want to make sure I say it's in mint condition, so whatever's inside hopefully is as well. All right, we're almost there. Ooh, and we have a sneak peek of the shoe, you guys. Okay, so I didn't think I was gonna be this excited for this pair of shoes. Are they gonna come out? It took a minute, but there we have it. And like I said, there's a visual right there. So they're the iconic Gucci sneaker. It does say Gucci right on the side, so you want to know what? If you're not a branding person, I totally get it. But let me address this box. Oh my god. So you have like a damask print all over the box right here. It is embossed. It is beautiful. I'm loving this kind of like color as well. It's like an olive tone. So freaking pretty. So let's get to it. All right, I am so freaking excited here. Okay, so this was clipped on the box, so it's not, I guess, supposed to be on the outside. I don't know about that. But we have a Gucci bag. Okay. It's pretty cool, so if you want to gift these, you have the opportunity. And then we have, looks like some authenticity type stuff right here. So Gucci, oh, this is just blank. This is like a little notepad. Okay, that's pretty cool. Appreciate that. And then this is, yeah, this is like the authenticity type of identification stuff. So very cool. And of course we have not one, but 2 dust bags, I guess, per sneaker. That is sick. Okay, so I always appreciate these because traveling, this is a blessing, but this is really cool. I like how it's printed on there, the Gucci. It's not just like a little stitching. Very neat. Now, if you want, you can get yourself $10 off by using code George. So don't forget that if you're looking to shop these sneakers or any type of BEkicks shoes, do yourself a favor, $10 off. Now to the treasure. Look at how this is presented. Are you kidding me? This is beautiful. Like, we have a Gucci sticker. The tissue paper of it, oh my goodness. It is such a vibe. That is very pretty. So BEkicks want to make sure these are arriving in excellent condition. I mean, there's so much care put into this, it is insane. So We got plastic, which the plastic says Gucci on it, like what? And then the sneaker itself. They're so pretty. Oh my goodness. I love that cream color. It is literally such a beautiful shade. Also, it looks like there is a spare pair of laces, so that is definitely a bonus. But let's go ahead and do like a deep dive on the shoe and check out all the deets. Now, aside from the color being absolutely perfect, the shape is beautiful. Like, this is my favorite shape of sneaker. Not flat, not skater, not tennis type of shoe. I guess you don't want to call them sneakers, but they are technically. I mean, they're not formal shoes. These though are gorgeous. So we have Gucci right on the side, of course. It's branding right there. We have the Gucci colors. You know, if you're gonna get a pair of Gucci shoes, do you really want them to be subtle? I don't know. I mean, they're not obnoxious, but they're borderline, you know what I mean? But that is the only branding that we really have. Every other branding on here is very minimal and subtle. Moving on to the front of the shoe. So we have a protectant right here that's gonna come off. And then we have the Gucci branding right there. Again, it's quite subtle, but I love how the color just camouflages right into the whole canvas here. Shoelaces are literally the same color as the sneaker. I love that it's just very monochromatic. And it's not a boring color either. I mean, some of you might think this is boring, but for me, I just think cream is very elegant. Kind of, you know, simple in a way, which we kind of need given, you know, the profile right here. But moving on to the back, that is the back of the shoe. You can see that it does say Gucci right there, but again, it's just embossed, it's very minimal, nothing obnoxious. Then the inner side is very blank. It is a blank canvas, okay? Very generic, but no complaints there. Even the bottom of the shoe has character. I mean, check that out. There's kind of like stars and just weird embossment going on. It does say Gucci, of course, but it's not boring, it's not plain. It's cute. I like it. I like this a lot. I don't know, guys, this is also a color that makes me a little bit nervous to wear, especially this time of the year in Pennsylvania when there's a lot of like salt on the sidewalks and road. So I might be saving these for the summer. I don't know. If you're wondering about the inside, nothing crazy, just says Gucci right there. And they are a size 44 UK, which in the US is equal to a men's 10. So I'm really hoping they fit, and I'm so excited. I think they're gonna go pretty well with this outfit, right? And here I am saying I'm gonna wait to wear them until the summer. No, I'm gonna wear them today, okay? I just made my mind up. They're actually kind of the same color as my khaki pants, so they might be perfect. They fit like a glove, but not a glove because they're a shoe. Let me tell you, immediately, I love these shoes. They're so perfect. They're perfect for this outfit. They're perfect for a lot of things. I feel like they're gonna go with so much. Honestly, these shoes go perfect with this shade of trousers. I mean, they're kind of camouflaged a little bit, which makes the whole Gucci logo of it all less obnoxious. And for me, I think that this is just such a like sick vibe for a casual day, or maybe even like a lunch or dinner or something that you don't want to be too, you know, dressed up for, but also at the same time you want to make an impression, you know? They're definitely like a sportier style shoe, obviously, which to me, you know, if you want to dress down a little bit, but also at the same time have a, you know, luxurious type of element to your outfit, these are perfect for that. And they're super comfortable too. So, I mean, if you have to walk a bit and you want something that's gonna still be like a statement piece, these would be perfect. All right, guys, that is a wrap for my Gucci X BEkicks experience. I'm gonna tell you, I had such a great time yet again checking out BEkicks. These shoes are immaculate, okay? They just literally look perfect. Everything from the way that they arrived, the way they were shipped, the way they were presented, it was a full-on experience. I mean, you saw for yourself. It's rare to have that type of like, I don't know, level of, I guess, thought put into how the customer is going to feel when they receive a product. So that I give a 10 out of 10. They're a beautiful shoe. They fit just like how I hoped, and the size like matched how I expected. So no complaints about that. This is just an unreal experience, guys. Please check out BEkicks if you have not already. Again, I'll link all their information in the description box down below. My name is georgeschirra. I create fashion content on all social media platforms. You can find me at @schirrageorge, at Instagram. My TikTok will be listed down below. My channel here, I've been talking a lot about like luxury footwear, but I do a ton of fashion stuff, and I want to get back into vlogging. It's been a moment, but I miss it. So if you want to see that type of content, let me know. And if you have any suggestions, of course, sign off in the comment section. Please subscribe, click the notification bell. And until next time, as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.